Hey everyone, welcome to MK Learning, but before I start video, I request you to subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel to learn and speak English.
Light bulb, torch, wallet, scissors, key, handbag, purse, ruler, pen, light switch, suitcase, rug, brush, bin bag, plant, hairbrush, toilet roll, soap, comb, telephone, do it, wardrobe, shower, jeans, socks, shirt, hammer, ladder, sunglasses, dress, belt, screwdriver, saw, stairs, mirror, toaster, tap, sink, cup, plate, fireplace, table, television, lamp, curtains, door handle, radiator, window, plug, chair, door, toilet, toothbrush, bathtub, sponge, ironing board, clock, hair dryer, stool, fridge, microwave, knife, fork, spoon, glass, rolling pin, bottle opener, pillow, towel, bed, toothpaste, safety pin, washing machine, dishwasher, dishwasher, laptop, laptop, vacuum cleaner, vacuum cleaner, headphones, headphones, feather duster, feather duster, bucket, bucket, rubber gloves, rubber gloves, mop, mop, desk, desk, ashtray, ashtray, earrings, earrings, scales, scales, fire extinguisher, fire extinguisher, bracelet, bracelet, ring, ring, first aid kit, first aid kit, teddy bear, teddy bear, plaster, plaster, apron, apron, painkillers, painkillers, chopping board, chopping board, lipstick, lipstick, grater, grater, whisk, whisk, ball, ball.